Got a first of its kind blank in here today. This is based off of my Nebula design. My customer wanted a pink and purple, so I actually had to go out and find pink interference powder in order to do this Nebula blank, but got really good coloration on this. Let me throw just a touch of alcohol on here, let you see the colors we got going. It's really a nice blank. There you can see the pink and purples in there. Really excited to get this one turned up, see what the insides look like. Now, because it is an interference powder, it works best with a black background. So I did paint my tube and paint the hole after I drilled it out. So this is going to be necessary in order to get those colors to really be bold and shine through from the interference powders. But let's go ahead and get this turned up, see how it turns out.
Looking good. I had to throw on my face mask because it's getting dusty out here.
Alright, we get this all cleaned up. Get on to sanding and polishing this up. It's looking really good. Got really nice purple and some pinks swirling through there. Pink section there, pink there. They told me they wanted purple. As long as it was purple, they were good. And they also had mentioned earlier that they want pinks. It's like a 66% purple, 33% pink. And then that as well was a 66% color to a 33% black. So you see the black swirling in there and around too is a 1/3 to 2/3 ratio as well for color to black. And then I split that 2/3 color into a 1/3 2/3 ratio for pink and purple. So looks really good. I'm gonna get this polished up. I'm really excited to see how this turns out. All right, let's go ahead and get this pen assembled. I got really great colors coming out of there. Got a nice, oh, let me turn my light back on. Got nice pinks and purples in there. Mostly purple, like I said before, but yeah, you do have some pink there. You got some here, little pink there. On the back side, you got just a dot of pink here, little swath of it there. Looks really good. I've already decided where I'm going to put my clip for the best colors on that side of it. And then we're going to put our end coupler in here, press this together. Thread our tip on. Got really good fitment on there. And I'm going to do the conversion on this to make it for a G2. Just grind it down to about there and then test fit it. Alright, and there we have it. Gunmetal with purple and pink Nebula on this Airfoil pen kit. with G2 ink refill. We just converted that down to. Looks really, really good. Really happy with how those colors turned out. They mixed in really well. I do have 2 more blanks that I made with this that are available on my Etsy shop. If you're interested, you can pick up a couple of those blanks. Also have a bunch of other blanks available. If you're a fellow pen turner, come on by, check it out. suitscrafting.etsy.com. I'll have those for sale. We had that pen shipped off to my customer. Stay tuned for the photos.